Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about the stock trading platform, which is Moomoo and Webull. So let's quickly dive into it. Moomoo is best for traders who love advanced tools and global market access. It offers commission-free US stock ETFs and options, plus access to Hong Kong and China exchange. Its detailed charting with 60 plus indicator and competitive margin rate make it a powerhouse for active trader. The downside is it doesn't support IARs, cryptos or bond, or long-term or diverse investors may find it limiting. Webull, on the other hand, is simpler and beginner-friendly while still offering commission-free US trade, fractional shares and quality charting. It has no account minimum and works smoothly on mobile and desktop, making it accessible for all levels. However, it lacks international market and has a weaker customer support compared to some rivals. In conclusion, Moomoo is better for advanced and global traders, while Webull suits beginner and casual investors. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and please subscribe for more reviews.